This glasses is on a baby girl.
I'm a baby girl. Girls in here.
I forgot to pay him.
We go. Don't deceive him.
Don't worry. So you know your way out, right? Okay, then.
Bye-bye.
I have considered your plea to come and take your son, Mitch, to the city.
Oh my God.
To serve me.
Oh God. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Chief, I am very grateful. Oh, yes. God bless you so much.
All right.
Thank you so much, Chief. See, I am so short of words. I don't even know where to start from. All I know is that my good Lord will continue to bless you and your entire family.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I promise to serve you with the fear of God.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. One other thing is, I've also come to discuss the terms with you. You know, in every business you have to discuss how you are going to stay. The business.
Oh, which is?
And I consider that he will have to serve me for 7 years.
That's no problem. That's not a problem. It's okay by us.
And within these 7 years, I will teach him the nitty-gritty of the business and show him life.
Aye, good.
If he is a smart boy, I believe he will learn within these 7 years.
You mean my son is a smart boy? And he will learn. I know that for sure.
And then what I do as a person is, and I do that for all my boys, I will set a shop for him and let him manage it. If he does well, it will be well for all of us.
He will, definitely. He will do well.
After that, I will settle him. And Charlie ego, Babambo Kibie, Messibi ego ike.
That's so wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
So I know you people are wondering who she is. Yes. Her name is Alice. Alice is not from this country. She's from Rwanda. Yes, Rwanda. You see, we've been dating since I traveled to Rwanda. She's a great person, trust me. She's a great personality. So Alice, meet my parents. My parents.
Alice, welcome. Welcome, Alice.
So I brought her home for you people to, teach her our culture and our traditions. Even though I've taught her, little ones like Bia, you know what that means, right? So, Alice, like I said before, these are my beloved family. So, meet them. They're good people.
Chijina, you've done well. You've spoken well equally. What's that her name again?
Alice.
Alice.
Alice, you're welcome, oh? No.
Alice, you're welcome.
Welcome, oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, my sister.
She's not your sister. Her name is Zuju. Meaning abundance, like I said before.
Say Dalo. Say Dalo. Exactly. Exactly.
Actually,
her parents, are they aware of your intentions? Okay.
I lost my entire family during a terrible war.
The two of them?
Yes, Mama. This is quite a painful one. You know, it was at that process that she, will I say, contacted one ailment. But it's nothing serious because she has a remedy to that. She has, you know, this stuff we use to calm down the situation. So I'm trying to say actually that she is asthmatic. Yes, she's asthmatic.
You lost your parents and now you are asthmatic. Hi. Triple Ndo, Mom. Ndo. Sorry, in English. Sorry.
So please stop telling her sorry. It's nothing serious. She has moved on. So Mama, like I said previously, I actually brought her home for her to learn, you know, our culture and our traditions. Why I go back to Rwanda? Yes, I want to return to Rwanda to, you know, prepare for marriage plans. So I will love my family to take care of her. She's a great personality. She's a great person. Treat her like your own, please.
You are asthmatic.
Hi. Don't worry about that. She has what she can take to remedy. Did you have that inhaler? That Ventolin?
Maybe inside my bag.
Oh, inside your bag? Yeah. Okay. It's inside her bag.
Okay, God. How inhaler?
And a Ventolin.
Cachetosne.
Mama, you haven't changed. Please stop. Mama, please. It's not my mother.
Alice, let's go inside. So you change to something is freer, something better. You've been like this, eh?
Okay. Welcome.
No doubt you have been very busy in Rwanda.
Oh, very busy. Tamulu Masala.
Not for me. But tell me, Keko Sebulus in Kahwadeho. Is it one? Careful.
I
don't understand.
Mama, please. Mama, this girl has been great to me. You don't understand. Papa, don't worry. She's not sick.
Okay, sick. Who lose the two parents? Biadipa sick. Is here in the hospital? Do you want to kill us?
Don't take it personal.
Like my son. They say he who knows where he's coming from. Should we call him know where he's going?
Exactly.
I have spent all night counseling you. Please, do not disappoint this family.
I won't disappoint you people, Papa. I promise to make you and Mama proud.
Oh, God.
Nurture my son. You are my only son. My only child. I have said everything last night. But on a final note, please, I want you to serve Chief diligently with the fear of God. Please, Mama, don't disappoint us, please.
I won't. I promise to serve my boss well.
Good.
Always put me in your prayers.
I will. I will. Every single day, every morning, every night, I will pray for you. Please.
I will miss you both.
And I will miss you too.
Our prayers are always with you.
Thank you, Papa.
Like I said before, do not disappoint this family.
I won't. I won't.
Chief, thank you very much.
All right.
Please, I want you to take care of my son very well.
I will.
Chief, sorry for keeping you waiting. Thank you very much once again. I really appreciate it.
It's all right. Let's be going. Oh, this far? Who's Otelaga? Yes.
God bless you.
Oh, yes.
Remember all I told you.
Please take care of my boy.
Please don't disappoint us.
I will. Let's go, boy.
My son.
Yes, Papa.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
Go in peace.
Amen. Thank you, Papa.
Go well.
Chief.
It shall be well with you.
Chief. Biko Badanya, oh. You know it's all I have.
Oh, yes.
Take care of him for me, please.
Love, sacrifice. Love, sacrifice. No one can see this love except you and me. No one can see this love except you and me. We have gone long way. We have gone long
Brother?
Don't be confused, oh baby,
Brother?
I still love you. Don't be confused, oh baby, I still love you. Don't be confused, oh baby.
Stop crying, okay? Stop. I will be back before you know it. I'm not going there to stay forever, okay? It's okay. Stop.
Safe journey. I'll be waiting for you.
I hope you pack up well.
Everything.
Yes, I'll be back. Huh? All I want you to do for me is learn as much as you can, okay? I want before I return, you will be a complete Igbo girl. That is, you know how to pan fufu, how to cook or how to cook or hot soup, all the Igbo delicacies, eh?
I promise to learn everything that I need to learn.
Are you sure you promise?
But the bike is waiting. Nah, this sun is hot too. Okay,
Mama, please, take care of her for me. She's all I have. Please. Please, Would you? Remember, you are the only girl of the family. Take care of our parents. And above all, study hard. You know you have exams ahead. Okay? Study hard to come out in flying colors. You promise?
I promise I will.
You promise?
Johnny Mercy.
Okay, I will do my part. I will always send you money or anything you need. Call me.
Plenty money. See my assignment.
Do your face like
And she will be fine.
You'll be fine.
All right, be fine.
Mama. Sorry. Are you okay?
Hey!
Oh.
Papa! Papa! Oh. Papa! Mama! Ah. Papa? Good afternoon.
What is it?
What happened?
I hope there's no problem.
My master actually sent me to the village to get something for him, so I decided to stop by and greet you and Mama.
I was almost afraid though. I thought something is wrong.
No.
Come on, Sikwankai, but no, without telling us. This one that you just came without telling us. If there is any problem.
Nah, not at all.
You are welcome, my son. You did well, eh? You did well for stopping by. And how is Chief and the entire family?
They are all fine. We are all fine.
I can see that.
They are doing well.
I can see that.
Mama.
You are welcome, my son.
Papa. This is for you.
For me?
Yes.
Who gave it to me? Your master?
No. It's from the money my master gave me for transport. But as okay, I decided to go for a cheaper bus fare.
Oh, no, my son. We don't need this now. After all, you are only serving. It is only when you have become your own master we can accept something from you, not now.
Papa, please. This is the major reason that made me go for a cheaper bus.
Meche, your father is right. Yes. We can't collect money from you. You are still serving. When you finish serving and start making your own money, we cannot collect money from you. Oh, mama, oh, eh? Meanwhile, as if I knew you were coming, I have something in the kitchen. Let me pack this firewood and go and get it for you.
Yes, if you say so. Mama. No, I can't do that now. I can't eat. I'm late already. I should be rushing back. Maybe next time.
My son, thank you for taking time out to check on us. I really appreciate it. And your master, please, always ensure you respect and obey him.
I will.
Do whatever is right he asks you to do, eh? Please.
Yes. But I'm already making you proud. You are living fine. I'm serving my master.
So you are going now, eh?
Yes, I'm going.
All right. So go well, eh? Take care of yourself.
Papa, take care of Mama.
Take
care of Mama.
All right, my son.
Go well, eh?
All
right. Thank God,
Thank you.
I'm a foreigner. Who will take me home? I wanna go. Oh,
And we've not heard from him. And I'm asking you and you're telling me that you don't know his whereabouts. What do you mean by that?
You know I am allergic to senseless talk.
Huh?
How do you expect her to know his whereabouts since she's been staying with us in this village? Huh?
Papa, allow the witch to speak for herself. Stop defending her all the time. Alice, go back to your Rwanda and bring back my brother.
Only shut up. Shut up before I knock your teeth off. She's going nowhere. Changina left her in her custody. And she must remain here until the
Alice is going nowhere in this house. So you want to continue to spend the little money we should use for food in this house on her mouth shutters called Ventolin? Oyawa, the little money we should be eating food with. 6 months now, our son has not sent any money in this house. And now, you want to use the little one we have to feed this witch. Okay, I can sense that you and your son plan for you to have a second wife. Okay? The way you're doing now, you want to make her a second wife, it will not work. She has to get away from this before she infects all of us with her stupid disease.
Yes, Papa. She has to leave. I mean, you have sold everything you have in this house for her regular medication.
Ujunwa, I just told you to shut up.
Papa, we are tired of this. You have sold everything you have in this house.
And how does that concern you? How does that concern you? Whatever I sold belonged to me.
To us. To us.
Alice is going nowhere.
This girl must leave this house. Okay, Which? You must leave this house. As a wife of Mr. Mwale is a very lover. She is not staying in this house.
Okay.
This guy quiet. Okay, don't let me handle her.
You can do anything.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're back?
Yes.
How is school?
My school is fine.
Who's Papa? That one? Forget that one, though. I'm sure he must have gone to get his second wife. Because I threw that thing out of this house this morning. Wait, Mama. Are you trying to tell me that Rwanda witch still came back to this house after we threw her out of this house because of her disease? No! She has been cured, though. Cured by an unknown person. But I suspect that that unknown person is your father. And I've come to understand that your father and your brother had a secret meeting for your brother to bring him a second wife. Eh? That girl your brother brought is your father's second wife, because each time I throw that thing out of this house, your father end up bringing her back. Mama,
listen, this house is my house, and I decide who stays and who leaves. My son told us that this girl was of immense help to him in Rwanda, and that we should take good care of her, and that we must do. Alice, do not let any idiot intimidate you.
I will over-intimidate you.
I will remove your
second wife. How about you, idiot? Now, Becky in English. Imagine. Hi. Okay, laugh for my second wife. I told you.
Chima inazikwaya. Chima inazikwaya. Chima. Oh my God. Chima inazikwaya. Chima. Where are you? Chima inazikwaya. Chima. Where are you? Chima inazikwaya. Afufe muamu. Afufe muamu. Ore.
my money again. You can eat my money and get free. Huh? Huh?
What has my son done to deserve this? What has he done to deserve this torture? What has he done?
Yes, Chief.
Did the son do anything wrong by giving his heat to the cold earth for what?
No, not at all. Not at all.
I came to this village, took your son, poor and wretched, to better his life, to serve me, so that afterward I'll settle him. What he decided to do is to loot my money and squander it on women.
No.
Meche, what did you do with your master's money?
Speak! Meche!
Say something, my friend!
I used money to treat a girl.
You see, this boy is a little. 800,000 naira. 800,000 naira. He used to treat a girl. Hey! What? My own hard-earned money.
Meche, who 800,000? Eh? You use it all on the girl. Hey.
So, you spent 800,000 naira on a woman? Did you hear yourself?
I didn't want her to die, so I took her to a big hospital in the city.
Hey.
Because it wasn't your money. Eh? That's why you can squander it anyhow. You used my 800,000. 800? Is that your money? Is that 800? Is that your money? My own money. 800,000. Is that your money? No, you took her to. Is that your money? My own money. You took her to hospital. Yeah?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Chief, we shall find a way out. Please, take it easy. Please. We shall sort this out. Make it easy. Please, don't be too hard.
Please.
You will find a way out.
Yes, Chief. We shall find a way to sort them out, okay?
Please, Chief. Please.
The only way to solve this problem is that you, as a family, will look for a good portion of land. Use it to pay me back.
Okay, Chief.
Yes! This your son will rot in jail.
Hey,
no problem, Chief.
No. He will not rot. We will pay. We will give you the land. Anything
yes,
you want.
Chief.
Please just leave him.
We shall do so.
He's my only son. Please, I beg you.
Please. That won't be a problem.
Please.
Love, sacrifice. Love, sacrifice. No one can see this love except you and me. No one.
Meche, what have you done to yourself and to your family? What have you done? After all the advice and the prayers for 2 years, you decided to settle with a girl that is not even from this country. Why? I have always been proud of you. Why did you decide to disappoint me? Why? Why?
Mom, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Just that I couldn't stand the sight of her misery that very day. That was why I had to help her survive at all costs. I'm really sorry, Mama.
You're sorry. Meche, you are sorry. Good. So now what is your gain?
My gain is that I saved a life. I saved a life, Uma, and that is my gain.
Meche, you destroyed yourself and the entire family. You destroyed your future and the future of every member of this family. Is that what you are proud of? I'm asking you. Is that what you are proud of? Hey. Where are you going to?
Mom, I'm sorry. I need to go and check on Alice. I need to go and know how she's doing.
Meche, are you insane? Are you insane? Meche, I asked you again. Are you insane? What is wrong with you? What is it? Meche! Chilikimi. Wait! Hi. Hi. No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. It can't be happening.
Who dropped my father's food on the fire? Who did this nonsense? Uju! Who is that running like a mad dog in my father's house? What is it? Uju, did you drop my pot of soup from the fire? I did, because I needed to boil water to take my bath in my father's house. My firewood or your firewood? Everything in this house belongs to me. This is my father's house. And that same father has given me the right to belong to this family, so you have no right to intimidate me. I see your disease is affecting your brain. May devil soda that your mouth. Before I close my eyes and open it, you have to remove this rubbish from my firewood now. Uju! And if I do not, what will you do? Go and remove this pot before I count two. And if I do not, what will you do? Uju! No, dare me! No, dare me! And I will flog you like a child. Try me! Try me! Try me!
Dikeh, I am finished. I'm finished? God forbid. What is the problem? Dikeh, Alice has landed me in trouble. She poured hot water on Meche, but it wasn't deliberate.
Eh? The same Meche that got used in delivering her from that ailment that almost took her life. No, this is actually unbelievable. It is not happening. It's actually unbelievable.
I am here for something very important.
What could that be?
The doctor insisted that I deposit 25,000 naira before he could begin treatment.
What? What did you just say?
And all I have on me is 3,000.
25,000 naira. I thought it's something I could do. This is a whole lot of problem. I was thinking this is something 500 naira could solve. And that's all I have on me here now. If you don't mind, you can take this 500 naira if you're going to.
It won't be enough. Don't worry. Okay? See you later.
Take it easy, my brother, okay? Take it easy, okay?
After depriving my son of his future, you still went ahead and did this to him. You will never get away with this. I promise you that. I will show you what a witch like you suffers in this village. Just look at what you have reduced my son to. Eh? Just look at him. I'm sure you are here to ask questions about me in this village. When I am ready for you, neither you nor your faceless family will stand my fire. I promise you that. Just take a look at yourself, Mr. Do-Good. the only reward you get is baptism of hot water. And you, let it not be what I'm thinking, because when I'm ready for you, you will not only swim in hot water, I will burn you to the last bone in your body in this village. I promise you.
All the good I did to save your life, for everything I lost because of you. This is how you paid me back. Oh, Alice. Alice, you are a witch. You are a witch, Alice.
It was a mistake.
Don't touch me! And don't even mention my name again. This is always the witch's excuses. Mistake. Mistake. Now look at how you made me totally useless for my family. Oh! Yes, I hate you.
No, you're not useless. I'll make sure that I'm always with you and your family, please.
To cause more havoc, I guess. Is there anything good that will ever come out of you? Alice, you are wicked. You are worse than the devil. And it shall never be well with you for putting my only child in this condition. Never.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Are you deaf? Or is it that this thing by the side of your face is for mere decoration? Huh? Have you not been warned never to step your foot in this compound again? Have you not been warned?
Papa, Mama, please.
Also?
Please. I beg you with my room. Let me stay even as a servant. I cannot abandon him after putting him in this condition.
Shut up! Shut up your stupid mouth. You cannot stay here.
It's okay. Let her stay. You must stay in this house and be served the due punishment for being a witch.
This is your payback time. Enjoy it while it lasts. Idiot.
Are you sure? Remove this glasses.
Mama, it's me.
Hey! Chijina, my son is alive. Hey! Chijina, you're alive.
Mama, I'm alive.
Look at me.
It's me.
Look at your hands.
It's me.
Look at Chijina. Hey!
Mama. What is that I'm saying? Is that a grief?
Chijina.
Is what?
It's your father. My husband.
No. That is not true, Mama. That cannot be true. Hey!
Chijina.
Mama, you lie. Mama, don't tell me that is the truth.
My husband.
That's not true, Mama. You're lying. Mama, you're lying. You're... Hey!
Let's go inside. Oh, let me close your door. Oh, let's go inside the house. When we stop hearing from you? Your father took the responsibilities of taking care of Alice. He was buying her Ventolin and other drugs. Her ailment was eating down this family. Suddenly we heard that Meche, the son of Maziude, stole his master's money to treat this ailment. He tried. He handled it to a minimal level. But the only way Alice could pay him back was to pour the young man boiling water.
What? Why? How is that possible?
Son, I don't know. We don't know. Only she can give you this answer. Your father couldn't handle this. It was too much for him to handle. The frustration, the disappointment. He couldn't just handle this whole thing. It was in this process that he gave up. That was how I lost my husband to Alice. As our Alice killed your father.
Please, sir.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. It's all my fault. You see, when I got to Rwanda, I got this opportunity to travel to South Korea. I never bothered to call home. I know I should have called at least to inform you people of the development. Eventually, when I got there, I was jailed, Mama, for possessing fake traveling documents.
Hi! Prison!
Prison, Mama.
Hey!
Suffered. As God may have it, when I came out last 2 weeks, we got a new government that said we can free foreigners. That's how your son was set free. So I met this man when I was in prison. He's from Ghana. So the man liked the way I was, humbling myself in the prison and decided to help me. He gave me this contact that, gave me a big deal last 2 weeks. That's how I made this money, you're saying. That's how I came back home. Alive.
Thank you, Jesus.
So, Namo.
It's okay. It's okay, son. Thank God you're back. It's okay.
So, where is Alice now?
She's a servant in Meche's house.
A servant? I can't believe you're gone. I love you. That is why I traveled to South Korea in search of greener pastures to take care of you and our family. Please, Papa. Forgive me. Forgive me for not being there for you when you needed me. If I should have a father again in my next world, you will always be my father. Rest in peace, Baba.
She's an angel, sent to be by my side. She's the one that I love, the love of my heart. Oh yeah, my happiness is
Hey, Gina.
Alice, what are you doing here? Eh?
Alice, you get back home.
Oh, Alice, I know I've wronged you. I will explain.
No.
A lot happened.
Over between us. Come close to me.
Alice, please. You have every right to say what you... Please, just calm down. I can explain.
You can go and ask your mother why she ended our relationship.
My mother?
I said go.
Did you say my mother ended our relationship?
I said go.
What is the surprise? What is the surprise you want to show me? Why did you stop here? Huh?
Alice, come. Mama, Alice here claims you've ended the relationship between she and I. Is that correct?
Chejina, I've told you all. Eh? Alice here killed my husband. She wrecked my family. So I did everything I did out of frustration. I was just frustrated and confused. Sorry, oh.
Whatever happened for my sake.
Your mother is here to tell you what she and your sister did to me as soon as you travel back to Rwanda. Please stay clear from me. I do not want to remember the pain I went through in the house. Oh, because your mother took me through hell, all because of my sickness. The only thing they did not do was to take my life, but they made a lot of attempts. Please, take this wicked man out of here before I lose my temper.
Alice, please, please, I know. I mean, this is quite unfair. Why would they do that to you? It's quite unfair.
I said take her away.
Biko, it's frustration. I was frustrated. You know, I lost my husband. Biko, forgive me.
I said, take her away.
Measure, my son.
Papa.
Considering the fact that it will be difficult for any woman to marry you in this condition, I suggest you get married to Alice at once.
Yes, my son. Your father is right. No woman would get married to you in this your condition. Seek her hand in marriage. Oh?
So I want you to make your interest known to her today.
Today?
Yes.
Yes, my son. Please do that without further delay. Hold it right there. And where do you think you're going? You are not welcomed in this house.
Good afternoon.
Naide, good afternoon.
Keep your stupid greetings to yourself and get your evil mother out of this compound now.
Naide, please, sir. I heard what happened, alright, and that is why we've come to...
Come to do what? Has your mother stepped her feet into this compound since Alice did this to me? Has she even sent message through anyone to this family?
What? Mama? Did you hear what he said? So, Mama, you have never bothered to check up on him?
No, it's not that I'm not bothered. I was confused and frustrated.
What kind of silly confusion? Mama? Hi.
Christ. Gina, for the last time. Get yourselves and your sticky mother out of this compound. Did you hear me?
I'm here for us to sort this thing out and know the best way to move on. Please, my brother, I understand your
Don't
pain.
touch me.
Please go.
Don't.
Please go. Just go. I don't want trouble. Go. Please go.
Alice, leave. You heard her.
Go.
Leave.
Alice, you're pushing me out.
Go. Just go. I don't want trouble.
Go, you heard her. Go. Go.
Go.
Jejina, leave. Leave. You heard her. Leave. 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 Alice.
I said leave.
Leave.
Mama?
You're back. You just left this boy without telling me anything. Or the one man.
Mama, how could you? No, how could you do such a thing?
I'm sorry.
Alice sacrificed all she had to make sure I survive in Rwanda. Alice sold her late father's house to start up a business for me. Alice is the reason I'm still alive today. Alice is not just an ordinary woman. She's an angel sent to rescue this family from poverty. Why? Why would you do such a thing? Just pray. Pray nothing happens to my relationship with Alice. Else, I will be the first to commit homicide in this village.
Don't say this, son. I'm sorry. Please, now that I've realized my mistakes, please forgive me. I am sorry. I did all I did out of frustration. And I promise to make things right. Please, I am sorry. I never knew she meant this much to you.
Just pray nothing happens to my marriage plans with Alice. Else, that's a Madukano.
Because
Biko nedelu mulavu manya kamje kamputa nedelu mulavu manya echikwane ya kusira mebwa esinemo alisimwa wapona
I hope there's no problem.
It's high time we got married. What do you expect? Huh? Tell me, what? You want to leave me in this condition when no other woman will accept me?
But the agreement was for me to become a servant.
I don't care. I don't. That is not enough to pay me back.
I am sorry.
Prepare your mind. We'll start making babies.
chase her out of this house, go back there and bring her back. If you want peace to reign in this house, I'm not joking, no. My patience is out and dry. I don't know. Mama, I'm respecting you. I'm respecting you. Go out there and bring her back. I don't know. You don't have to chase her out. Bring her back for me. Period. If you want peace to reign in this house, go and look for her and bring her back. Mom, just anywhere. Go and bring her back. But I beg you, allow this girl. This girl is all I have. Go out there and bring her back. Don't bring her back here. You see the kind of person I am. I've been begging you. Alice is all I have. Leave her for me. Take care of her for me. Is it too hard to ask? Now you can't even give account of where she is. No, don't bring her back.
Alice.
No.
We are yet to get a proper response from you concerning what our son told you this evening.
I am yet to come up with something.
You are mad. You are very stupid. Hi, Alice, you are wicked. After all you did to my son.
Not just our son, but for putting this whole family into this miserable condition.
I don't think we'll need her response. She's already my wife.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Okay, I accept.
Good. Why won't you? Why won't you accept?
You cannot be poor and be a witch at the same time.
At all. Come on, get inside. Don't see all the way. Get inside.
I know how you feel. I want you to calm down. I know that Adako has wronged you. But please, forgive her because of this innocent young man who knows not the deeds of his mother. Please.
Mazi, I granted this audience all because of you.
I know.
If you know you have something important to say, go straight to the point and say it.
Mazi, like I said earlier, I know how you feel. I know. Please, forgive. Okay? I actually came here with Chejina here to settle him and your family because of the issues that you both have. Please, so that he can have his fiancée back. But Chejina.
Certainly, Okome, you've said it all. I mean, we all are like one family, and I'm never in support of what happened. It's never heard. What my mother did was uncalled for. But you see, we can't keep capitalizing on what happened. Let's move on. Okay, please, I'm deeply sorry. I'm deeply sorry. Wow. Okay, so that is why, that's why my cousin here, Doga Pom Pom, left Burkina Faso to come. He heard what happened. So we all are joining forces to apologize on what happened. Please.
I am under duress here. I am in trouble. No hiding place for me. Nowhere to run to.
What is it again? What is it?
To keep you up and doing for another 30 minutes.
Meche, I am tired. I need to rest.
Please. No. It's okay. It's okay. I will do everything myself. Eh? Don't worry about the effort. It's me, Meche. I will do everything myself. All you need to do is just open for me. Eh? Just open for me, then I will do everything.
I said I am tired.
My wife, please. I beg of you. Okay, look. I'm down. I'm hard. Just be good.
Okay. Can I at least finish what I have at hand?
Just that. Let me help you. I will help you. Let me help you.
Love, sacrifice. Love, sacrifice. No one can see this love except you.
Alice, the foreigner, the one I told you about.
Oh, from Rwanda?
Yes.
I remember. Alice, I hope you know my wife is also a foreigner. She's actually from Togo.
Yes, sir. That is why we are close friends.
Oh, that is good. That's good.
What is it?
Sweetheart, please, can you take me inside?
Oh, okay. I'll join you soon. Just
I still love you. What else can I give to you? After all you have done for me, tell me what are we doing for you, baby? After all these things.
Aloma, I'm confused right now.
Alice, you don't need to be confused. Chijina is your first love and the reason you are in this village. Getting married to Meche is not an option at all.
But I kept him in that condition, which no other woman would accept his hand in marriage.
Did he ever talk about marriage to you in the first place? No. Also, because they know Chijina is back in the village. Now they brought up the idea of this proposal. Think, my dear.
It's not even a proposal. They gave it as an order and I've accepted under duress.
What? You accepted already?
I am sorry. I'm sorry.
How could you? No, how could you say yes to his proposal? Even if my mother wronged you. Is that the reason you will transfer aggression to the relationship we've built for over 8 years? How could you?
I love you. I love you. But the situation on ground is beyond me. I just can't leave Meche in that condition.
And I cannot let you go too. After all you did for me in Rwanda, I can't let you go. Don't you get it?
I still love you.
Come back.
What else can I give to you? After all you have done for me.
Please now. I'm so sorry. I was frustrated. Alice, please. Oh.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me!
Charlie, forgive me. Forgive me, I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. Hi!
Having heard both sides of the story, the ultimate decider in this issue is Alice.
Yes.
I have to ask her now. Alice, between Chiejin and Meche, who do you want to marry?
Oh no, I disagree with you on this one.
Why?
Marrying my son is not negotiable. She is the one who kept him in this condition and ruined the hope of my family. So, she must marry him and be a children.
Nai, please. Sorry to cut you short. The lady in question, I brought her all the way from Rwanda down to Nigeria for this same marriage purpose. If anything like accident happened, which I feel bad, all right? I feel bad for his condition. And it's something we all need to put heads together to know how we can sort it out. It's not to tamper with my marriage plans, with my relationship. We've dated for years. We've done a lot together. I feel bad about what happened, but no, Chenia now.
Hey. Ikembe anyo arodalupu. I think Chejine here is right. Yes, he's right. My brother Ode, is there something you want us to do concerning this situation?
Nothing. She cannot leave me in this miserable condition and go for another man.
My brother, I understand your pain, but you can't, because of what happened, take another man's fiancé now. Why am my fiancé? I'm sorry for what happened.
My elders, I've already accepted to marry Meche.
At least, how can you say a thing like that?
Since that is all he wants as a reward for all I caused him and his family, I will marry him.
Good. Did you hear that?
Alice, what is wrong with you? How can you say such a thing?
Chejina, I love you. I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry.
What are you saying?
This is marriage.
Accepted to do what? I just said I would care about what happened to you. Elders of my land, see, I have respected you people enough. Now, I want to take this girl, my wife, back to Rwanda, please.
Back to Rwanda? You pushed my son. Okay. What is this?
Hey!
Happy. Leave me first.
Oh no. He can pretend for all I care. That still won't change anything. At all.
Even the heartless woman he calls a mother shamelessly opened her mouth to beg, forgetting how they threw Alice out from their house.
That falling was a game plan between Adako and her son. But they failed it. Yes, they failed it this time because over my dead body will I allow Alice to go back to the house. Over my dead body.
To Fiakwa. Instead, let the earth subside. Yes. What nonsense.
Even the falling was too fake and childish. He should have done enough practice before coming to that meeting.
Oh.
I'm ready for all of them in this village. I'm ready for them.
Ma'am, according to what my mother told me, she thinks your son may not walk again.
Gene! May not do what? What? I don't understand. What are you saying? I don't understand.
Sorry.
Mom, she thinks he's partially paralyzed and our advice should take him to the hospital.
Paragin. There is no para anything in this house. Para how? Paralyzed again? Good luck, come here. After you have been massaging him all this while. Good luck, I don't like this kind of story. I don't like it. Please, I don't like it. Don't tell me that. If it's what nonsense is that? How? Paragin. You see, I don't want trouble. This thing you're saying that is not in my house. Get on one with the don't tell me that.
Sorry.
Don't tell me sorry. Stop telling me sorry. After you people have been massaging him all along, massaging him, so rubber, I will take him what? Ha ha. Hey!
Mom, we are sorry about the situation, but I think it's better you get him cautious too.
Girl, you should start going. Be going! What's your apostle? Mama, what were you telling me?
Uju, your brother is now paralyzed.
Mom, are you saying that Alice pushed my brother down and he became paralyzed?
That's all.
Hey!
I'm going to the hospital to give him food.
Hey! Mama head will roll. Is the mother guy that's paralyzed? Is the mother guy that's over there?
You are doing, you think I don't know what you and your brother are trying to do, eh? See, let me tell you, when he's done pretending, he should go out there and find another woman. Do you hear me?
Lele, dead body, half human being, Scarface. See, by the time I am done with you, by the time I am done with you, you will not have head. No, just be talking. If I'm done with you,
Uju, stop it though. Uju, stop it though.
Let her keep running, because, I will come back for you. I will. Be properly.
Would you stop all these things that you are doing, You and your brother, stop all these things. Stop all this acting, Hey. Mama.
I am under duress. I am in trouble.
Suda, who is that?
It's no one. I think I heard a noise at the backyard. Let me check, okay?
What is it? Who's chasing you? I'm in trouble. A very big trouble.
What happened?
I mistakenly pushed Chejina down and he became paralyzed. They're looking for me to kill me.
My love,
Baby, did you see anyone?
Shh, just bring your voice down. I don't want my husband to know you're here. I'll go back there. I'll signal for you to come. Sneak into the house. Wait for me in the guest room. We'll talk later. Okay? Just calm down. No. I thought I heard a noise at the backyard. I didn't see anyone. What? Okay. I hope you're fine.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Hey! Meche! Meche! Where is this son of my head?
Mama.
Where is he? Ha! Meche! It has happened. Hey, hey! It has happened. Hey, hey! Yes, my son, it has happened. Chiejina is paralyzed. The news is everywhere. It's been confirmed. Hey! Hey!
I thought you had something more important.
This is very important. In fact, it's a very serious matter. Your marriage is at stake. Alice might even go to prison for this.
Mama, Chiejina knows what he's doing. And I believe by the time the police gets involved, the truth will come to light.
They are seriously looking for Alice. And I am afraid of jungle justice.
Mom, I'm ready for them in this village. They should bring forth the war.
Chima inazikwaya, Chima inazikwaya, Chima. Oh my God, Chima inazikwaya, Chima. Where are you, Chima? Inazikwaya, Chima. Where are you, Chima? Inazikwaya. Afufe buemu, afufe buemu. Ore.
Officer, look at my brother. Now using clutches. I brought you here to confirm my reports.
You mean the lady in question put him in this condition?
Yes. After killing my father. See my brother. See the condition she left my brother. See.
Young man, a lady did this to you?
Officer, my fiancé.
Eh? Which fiancé? Which fiancé?
This is a case of attempted murder.
Thank God you can see.
Officer, please,
Hey, officer, this is her accomplice.
Young man, where is the suspect that pushed her brother?
Officer, don't mind the This liar and her brother. They are just faking everything.
May thunder fire that your rubbish mouth for saying something about my brother. Are you mad?
Where is the suspect, Mr. Man? Now speak. I don't know his whereabouts.
Oh. Then you have to follow us to the station, pending when the suspect is made available. Take him.
That is violent.
Move it!
Drag him in!
Move it!
Oh, God.
I can see you, beautiful one. I know you're surprised. I saw you the day you ran in, and since then you've been hiding in this room. Wow, you're looking so beautiful. I expected you to be surprised. Even my wife thinks I am truly blind. You are putting on a check top mixed with green, red, white, black, and ash skirt.
You can't see?
I have never been blind.
But your wife said so.
Yes, that is what I pretend to be. Oh, is that you?
Yes.
Good. I feel the presence of a thief in this room, and that is why I've been manning the door to make sure he did not escape until you were back.
Oh, okay, but honey, it's just me and you in the room. There's no one else here.
Are you sure? Please search properly. I am sure of the noise I heard when you were out.
Oh, okay. You know what? I'll just take you out and then come back to check properly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, alright. She has been arrested because of you, and the police are seriously hunting for you. Oh my God! You know what? You need to leave for Rwanda as early as possible. Please. Where will I go to? I don't even know anywhere here. You know what? I'll help you escape when the road is clear. Okay? But your husband can actually...
Is that it?
Honey, I'm coming. Just be calm. I'll go out there and talk to him, and then I'll come back here so we can plan an escape route. Okay? Okay. Don't cry.
Officer, this is the man who brought the lady that ruined my son's life. He conspired with her. I want you to arrest him.
Young man, you are under arrest for conspiracy and attempted murder.
Yeah? Officer, are you not the same IPO handling my brother's case? Wait. You want to arrest the same man whose attacker you have not found?
Lady, the police is not a political party. We have the right to attend to every complaint brought before us.
Will you stop that? I said take him away. Will you stop that?
You went to call the police for me.
Yes, sir. Take him away.
I want to arrest the late man.
Especially
you're very confused. People are not serious. So you can just easy.
Easy what? I said take him away.
You came to arrest me, eh? What are you doing? People are not serious. So they sent you to arrest me and you agreed. Eh? Are you not Moko? Okay.
Officers,
just easy.
I'm not done with you yet.
I will punish you.
I'm coming back to pick you up.
Punish you.
I promise you.
Wicked man.
I'm coming for
you.
you.
You cannot do anything.
Come out here, let me see your face. Why are you standing on my back? What are you saying?
Oh no. Adaku's son brought a girl who destroyed my son's life.
Oh no. He connived with his son to paralyze my brother. Let him bring the girl out. You must bring that girl out.
This girl I live in question, where is she?
Ask him.
Oh no, ask her.
What do you people mean by ask him, ask him, ask her, ask him? Are we here to joke?
Ude. And what's that your name? You people should provide that girl. We want to see her.
Oh no. Adaku took that girl hostage because Adaku wants her son to marry her at all costs.
Ndiche, he knows where the girl is. Bring her out.
I know where the girl is.
I don't understand what you people are doing. Have you people killed the girl? Has she been killed? Where is she?
Oh no, what happens to my son?
So what happens to my brother?
Are you asking me? What happens to your son? We are talking of the girl I live. Let's see her. If you don't bring that girl, we are doing a nothing.
Yes.
You must bring the girl. And then you, why is your mother not here? Why is she not here?
Oh no, please, with due respect, please. My mother is getting weak by the day because of this same issue. If you don't see my mother, you will see me. Because of this same thing, my father died. I beg you, no, Ndiche, tell this man to bring this girl out. You want to kill my mother too?
Nothing will be resolved until you people provide that girl.
Yes.
If you don't provide her, nothing will be resolved. What is all this?
Bialoma,
you are the only foreigner in this village. And I heard Alice is your friend. Fingers are pointing that you know her whereabouts in this village. Where is she?
Yes, Alice is my friend, but I haven't seen her in a while. I hope all is well.
You are trying to tell me you don't know where Alice is?
Not at all. Listen, believe me, I have not seen Alice in a while. I hope there's no problem.
No problem. I will find Alice. Wherever she likes, let her hide. Except she's not in this village. If I find her and get to know that you have a hand in this thing, this whole village will be too hot for you two. Very hot for you two.
Please, Alice, be my wife, marry me.
If you do not stop this, I will not hesitate to report you to your wife.
Then I will go on and tell the villagers that you're hiding in my house.
Why are you doing this thing to me? Your wife, she's my best friend. She's such a beautiful woman.
Listen, Alice, I am a very rich man. You should have asked me why I am pretending to be blind.
Put your faith in God, and He will give you a child when the time comes.
And what makes you think that the set time is not now? See, I have tried all means to make Aloma leave, but she has refused. I even lied to her that I have gone bankrupt, but she refused to leave. I acted I am blind, but she wouldn't give up on the marriage. I even told her that I am relocating from South Africa to the village. She still followed me down here. What is it? Will I remain childless forever? Please, Alice, you can bear me children secretly and take over all my wealth in South Africa. I want her to be the first to call for a divorce because we had court marriage.
Sir, I cannot do what you ask of me. I said put your faith in God. He will give you your child when the time comes.
Okay, can you listen to yourself? A child Aloma could not give me for over 15 years of our marriage. When will she make me a father? Please, be my wife. Please. Come on.
Honey?
Yes, ma'am. You're back? I told you the other day that a thief entered this house when you were not around. And today I grabbed her. And here she is lying to me that her name is Alice, your friend.
Yes. Yes, that is Alice.
What? Alice?
I left her in the guest room when I was going out.
And you did not bother to tell me? Oh, Alice, I'm so sorry, okay? Where are you? Sorry, I'm so sorry, Alice. You know I am blind. I would have recognized you. I'm sorry, okay? So that please take me out of this room.
Alice, I'm sorry. Honey, come.
Please, just take me out. Alice, I'm so sorry, okay?
Take this way. It's okay, just sit down. Sit. Just a minute, I'll be back.
Wife earlier today and she denied having set her eyes on Alice for a long time. And you were blind and could not have identified her.
Oh, you are wasting time. Please, gather some youths and go to my house before she escapes.
Geoffrey, this matter is not for blind people. Nobody should joke with my family's predicament. Do not try it.
I can see you're still wasting time. I better go and I better go to the other family.
Wait. I will do what you just said. Alice will die in my hands today.
Look towards the direction, and the direction is to go.
Who's there?
I told you.
Who's there?
I told you. I told you I will come to this house for that murderer. Now this is in fulfillment to that promise.
I swear to you, I don't know where Alice is.
You shameless liar. There's Alice.
The ghost strike me dead if I'm lying to you. I don't know where she is.
And that ghost must strike you dead now.
Why so ye?
Oh yeah.
Why so ye?
Oh yeah.
Go inside and search.
What is going on?
How dare you lie to me?
Are you talking to me? You blind liar! What's going on?
Alice runs out of this village and abandons my son in this condition, I will find her to any length spiritually. I mean what I say. She cannot escape it.
I am suspecting that family knows her whereabouts. I don't trust Chiejina and his mother at all. Yes, they know where she is.
That is the same thing I'm saying, Mama. Chiejina is faking his condition so that people will think they're also looking for Alice. Whereas she might be in the same house with them. If not, why are they not making any move to hunt for her? Why?
Whether that is true or not, I don't care. She cannot escape the consequences of her evil acts. As a matter of fact, I am going to Dibia Akatoko's shrine immediately.
Chiejina, you think I don't know what you are up to? You think I don't know?
Meta, you're nothing but a goat. I'm a lion. And mind you, no lion is handicapped. A wowza.
Chiejina, you're nothing but a weeping lion. Look at you. You've lost your teeth. You are rolling in vanity. Provide my wife Alice or stand the risk of my anger.
Pray I find her first. Else, I will descend on your family like a holocaust.
A word is enough for the wise young man. Save your head before it is too late.
I will bend you down and pluck off your eyes.
I hope this is the lady you reported to us that paralyzed your brother.
Yes, she's the witch.
Well, she surrendered herself to us willingly last night. So we needed to inform you before proceeding.
Officer, please. I don't want any case with her. If you can close the case, I will be fine. She's my wife to be.
Makagini? She wants the police to leave a girl who left you crippled to marry another man. Maka, why?
Please, how much will it cost to close the case?
This case does not concern your family alone. But if you want any settlement, you can go to the DPO. Let's go.
Officer. Officer. Okay, I'll come to meet the DPO.
Do not let a woman kill you. No, you don't okay with this one, Ekwa. Next time she will kill you. Rwanda woman, why? Take her turn and come. I'm your mother. You can confide in me. Oh? Become one. Is it really true? Or should I say, are you really paralyzed? Are you?
So, I look like I'm acting, right? You ask if I'm truly paralyzed when I'm here dying in pains. Do you think I derive joy in walking around with crutches?
Chejina, it's not because of me, oh. It's rumor mongers. They are saying it everywhere that you're just acting up. That you're doing all this because of Alice.
Do you think I love my condition? How?
She's not me. It's rumor mongers have it that you're pretending. You're just acting up because of Alice. That's why I'm asking you as your mother to tell me the truth. Are you paralyzed?
I want to be left alone. Leave me alone now!
Sorry.
I want to be left alone.
I want this girl dead.
Are you sure that your son is no longer in love with her?
I don't care if he still loves her or not. I just want her dead.
Because if he still loves her, he would be the one to die.
Hey.
If any arrow is fired at her.
No. Bam. Now you're getting it wrong. How? That is not what I said. Nothing should happen to my son. I said I want the girl to die, not my son.
No, woman. The blood oath they took is very strong.
Blood oath?
Yes, woman.
Then in that case, I want Meche dead.
Okay, woman. I will give you a very powerful charm. But make sure she is not yet pregnant for him.
Who, the girl?
Yes, woman. If she is, the charm will backfire.
No, she's not. There's nothing like that. She's not pregnant. Just give me the charm. I will go.
Then wait for me. I shall be back.
We have decided to hand Alice over to the elders to avoid many disturbances we have been getting from the rival families. So this matter can be settled as purely local case.
Thank you very much, officer. You tried. Biauju, we have waited for your mother for so long. We have to continue with this case.
Nai, Onabromo Madu. I am here to support my family in full. Whatever thing you want to say, let us start. I'm here, my brother is here. Can you come here? Yes.
It's okay. Mazude.
Oh no.
Mazude, what exactly does your family want from Alice?
That she marries my son.
Okay. And you, Oka, for family, what do you want?
She has to marry my brother.
You see? You see? You see exactly what we've been seeing in our station every day?
Oh no. The best solution to this matter is to know who Alice has chosen to marry. Yes.
Akuya?
Yes.
Okay. Alice.
Yeah.
Between Mech and the Chejina, who do you want to marry?
I love Chejila. And I owe Mech a lot for what he's passing through because of me. I will marry Meche.
What?
Look, if the reason you want to marry this man here is because of what he's going through, what is he even going through? You must marry my brother because he is in a worse condition.
Oh no, you heard what Alice said. Her decision is final.
Alice, are you for real? After all we went through. So Alice, you want to leave me to marry this mogul?
You shut up! How dare you speak to my son like that?
Another mogul.
Big dog,
Will you keep quiet?
Let the young man talk to a fellow young man. Stop putting your mouth here.
You shut up. Call you to this man.
If my father was to be here, I'll answer to my father.
What is wrong with you people?
Another muggle.
Come. You are in the presence of elders. You should know how to behave yourself. What's wrong with you people?
No, please. Who held I help? No, who held I help? Alice, over my dead body would that happen? It will never...
Hey, you want to get up? What do you want to do? Be careful.
It will never happen. Never in this community.
What is wrong with you people?
Sorry, sir.
Mama. Look, I cannot continue being a fool that will be talking without getting any response from you. I want to know why you have refused talking to me in this house. Aloma, I know you heard me. I said I want to know why you have refused talking to me in this house, in my own house. You allow me struggle my way to the kitchen to dish my food, unlike you. What is wrong with you? Talk to me, woman. I see. We shall know who is the head of this family. This girl must have told her my secrets. It's high time I opened up to her. No. I stand the chance of losing all my wealth in South Africa if I happen to file a divorce.
You're not listening. There's no point in all this dragging. Let's just stop. Look at me. I'm frustrated. And I understand you're equally frustrated. Why can't we leave all these behind and move on? Okay. For you to understand that I appreciate your benevolence towards my fiancé, I'd like to pay you back. Okay? I will fly you abroad to perform surgical operation on your face. Get yourself back a fine boy. I will also give you 1 million naira to add to your business or whatever thing you want to do with it. So you understand that I mean what I'm saying. Let's just move on. Let's just move on. I'm tired. If you're not tired, me, I'm tired. Please. It's okay. Okay, let me just sign the check.
Another point of correction, Chichi. That fiancé is in the past. Alice is not my wife. Okay? So you can keep your useless money and surgery to yourself, because I don't need it.
Oh my God, stop all these things now. Before you talk. Igbo people say, bite your words before you talk. How can you be calling another man's wife your fiancé? What is your problem now? It may be Sipolo that girl not here. All the way from Rwanda. And you're just claiming she's your fiancé because you bought... Please now, stop this thing. Let me just sign this check and you take the money and treat yourself. I will call my visa agent to start up with the process for you. You fly abroad and you do your surgical operation and you'll be fine. You'll be back stronger. What else do you want? Want to help my life now?
Chejina, the only good thing you can do for yourself now is to leave this compound this minute. Because I can decide to take that useless life of yours from you now. Leave my compound. I said leave my compound now. Chejina, leave.
I was just coming from Nature's house. Why have you been avoiding me? After all we've been through, why?
That question is not supposed to be for me. It's for your mother. Part of the reason I agreed to come to your country is to know the kind of parents you have. It would have been a lot more easy if your father was alive.
You're not getting married to my parents, but me. Our parents weren't there when we started this relationship. Please forgive them. Let's move on.
I wouldn't have known anyone called Meje or gotten involved in ruining his life if not your mother and your sister, who happen to be the only family you have now. Chejina, it is over between us.
What about the blood oath we had? Pregnant?
Mewoya, Jehovah shall be mewoya. Iwe de chende mewoya. Mewoya no geya, Jehovah mewoya. Hey, mewoya. Jehovah shall be mewoya. Chai, iwe de chende mewoya. Mewoya no geya, Jehovah mewoya. Mewoya. Hey, hey.
This one you are celebrating like someone that won a jackpot. What is the good news?
My son, I am celebrating because you have made me proud.
Here! And how did I come in here, Mama?
You see this thing in here is the good news.
Mama, don't tell me you've been monitoring us in this house to know when we do and when we do not.
My son, I am a mother. I know the symptom.
Symptom? Symptom that just started manifesting barely 10 hours we had something to do. Are you sure it's not malaria?
Did you see that? That is the good news. My daughter, let's go. Easy. Hey, easy. Watch. Hey. She will be needing a cup of water. Why? Give way. Leave the way. Bonus. Sit down. Easy. Hey. My daughter, it is okay. Whichever way he's doing you, it's a normal thing. My daughter, what do you want to eat?
Mama, I'm very hungry.
What would you like to eat? I mean, something special. Like ofe nsala, pepper soup. Good. That says it all. Obarankete Kwelugo. I'll go and get it for you. Right away. Chibo! Hey! What's that one here? You're not on the crane. Hell!
Pepper soup is coming. Don't worry, my daughter. Hey, Chibo.
Let her come back. Let me see.
Why are you blocking the road?
Where do you think you're going to?
What
Go and bring Alice back. You're not entering this house until you bring Alice back. Without bringing Alice back, go back to where you're coming from.
Chijina, what do you mean? I'm your mother. Why are you talking like that?
What I'm saying is, if you know how you chased Alice out of my life, bring her back. I'm not joking though. You're not entering this house until you bring Alice back.
So why are you doing this? So why are you doing this? I'm doing my best. I'm trying everything. Why are you doing this?
Your best is not enough.
But I've assured you that you will marry her. I'm doing everything possible to fix everything.
Not when she's pregnant for Meche.
What? Pray.
Oh, you've not heard. She's pregnant for Meche.
What did you say? How?
You caused it. You're asking me. And are you asking me how? Am I the one you're asking how? Go and bring Alice back. Bring her back to my life. Without her, you're not entering this house.
She cannot be pregnant for Meche. Oh, Chijina, I understand you're frustrated now. Allow me to handle this. I will bring her back. See, you're not depressed. She cannot be pregnant for
I don't want to know. Go and bring Alice back. Period. Go and bring her back. The way you chased her out of my life. Bring her back.
I'm doing my best. Come on, this is your mother.
Alice, tell me, who is responsible?
I am confused. I don't know how to explain this.
I don't understand you. What do you mean you don't know how to explain this? You can't explain your own pregnancy.
Mom, I'm so confused. I don't know where to hide myself. I don't know how to run back to Rwanda.
Alice, I asked you a simple question. Or are you hiding something from me?
I don't know how to explain this. I don't know.
Anyway, that is your business. You can live your life the way you want to.
Where do you think you're going to? No, you want to enter this house?
Brother, hey, so it's true that you chased Mama out of this house? Eh?
Well, she's lucky to have left here alive. I'm not sure that will happen in your own case. Go and bring Alice back! Go and bring Alice back!
Brother, so you're chasing me out of my father's house too?
Just the same way you and Mama chased her out.
But brother, you know me, you trust me. Eh? I would have killed that girl in this house if she didn't run away.
That is the same way I will kill you. Not even chasing you out of this house. I'm going to kill you if you don't bring Alice back. You think I'm joking?
Brother, wait. Are you trying to say that Alice is still in this village?
Hey, let me answer. Hey. Come, let me answer. Let me answer you. Don't come back here with Alice. You're asking me. Don't come back here with Alice.
What is it? I'm finished. Alice, you're still not saying anything. What is the problem?
I'm pregnant.
Yes, I know you're pregnant, so?
Meche is not responsible for it.
If Meche is not responsible for your pregnancy, then who is? Wait. Are you pregnant for Chejina?
You will lose your pregnancy today. If you come closer, if I handle you, my brother brought this country, and you left him to find that village rat. God will punish you. Don't take it easy on her, you will kill her. Oh my God. No, come closer. Come, I will handle you.
After wrecking their father and killing the man, you still went ahead and dumped her brother. I'll kill you today.
What are you doing here? Didn't I warn you never to return to this house without Alice?
Father, that was because you told me Alice was pregnant for Meche. But don't worry, that pregnancy is no more. Because I have performed a by-force miscarriage on her with heavy beatings. Yes, a surgical beating that will even affect the future pregnancy. Don't worry, Meche has lost it. He has lost it.
He has lost nothing. Because that pregnancy is not his.
Eh? But, what are you saying? Hey, but please, don't tell me that pregnancy belongs to you. Don't say. Hey! Ewo! Hey! I have killed my blood! Hey! I have killed my blood. Hey! I have killed... Brother?
In matters that concerns me. I will not warn you again. I said shut up! Shut up! I said shut up. Who is that? Who is that?
A woman has discovered what I have been hiding for a long time now. How do I explain this to her? How do I convince her? God. I don't care. Let her feel whatever she likes. I don't care. Alice is pregnant for me, and that is what matters. So her attitude afterwards is none of my business. After all, Alice gave me what she could not give me for 15 years now. I can call myself a father. Nothing counts more than that. Not even my assets. Let alone a lawman.
Churchina! 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 Churchina!
And who is shouting my name like that? Eh? Why are you shouting my name like that?
Churchina, you think you can get my wife pregnant and go scot-free? Churchina, you're a shameful loser. How many palm wine tappers crossed your path on your way here? Exactly 2, and those 2 have come to cease from you.
Diana. Okolo. Akwem okolo. Ada akali onye kolea. Izuzu, eh? I will bend you down and pluck your eyes. Are you mad? Eh? Or in one sopolo? Ojada atogi. Are you mad? Eh? My friend?
Perhaps this is the reason your manhood still stands. It will fall today.
Are you aware that you're holding my crutches? My friend, give me back my crutches. Are you out of your mind? Where are you going with my crutches? Are you mad? Come back here and give me my crutches.
Come on, have
them. Eh?
You're a man, right? Why not stand and come and have them?
Bia, give me my crutches. Don't step an inch with my crutches.
This is your crutches. Come and have them. Stand! You're a man. Why not stand and come and collect them? Why not stand and come and collect them?
But then, give me my crutches for the last time. Don't step an inch with my crutches. You see, you don't have sense, eh? Come back here with my crutch. What kind of rough play is this one now? Eh? So I begged you to collect 1 million. You're here to collect my crutches. Eh? Yanna. Nabia, oh. Someone cannot play with you again. Diana! Mama!
My son. Are you sure you did not sleep with this girl by accident? I mean, think very well. Are you sure you did not sleep with her one way or the other?
Papa, I did not. I didn't.
I mean, she must have slept with you while you were asleep, of which you might not be aware of.
Papa, I said there was never a thing like that between Alice and I.
This sounds unbelievable. I mean, she might have raped you while you were asleep and you are not aware of it. I want you to think very well. Think, my son.
Papa, are you supposed to be mocking my situation?
My son, I am asking you these questions repeatedly because it sounds unbelievable. And I am going to kill that girl if I find out she deceived us by getting pregnant for Chiejina.
I've always said it that Chiejina is only pretending to be paralyzed. I mean, how could a paralyzed man get a woman pregnant? That was why I had to seize those clutches of his, at least to expose him. Officers, please. She's my wife. We were only searching for her, which was the reason we reported the case to your station.
You see, the same situation applies to the Rivers family.
Officers, see, she is my son's wife. Now that you have found her, we appreciate it. Yes. So much.
Young lady, is this your man?
Yes.
Oga, this case is complicated.
How is it?
You see, the other young man claims she's his wife, and she never objected that.
Is it? But you just heard her say yes to me. It's very clear. She's my wife.
We have to settle this case and get it. But for now, we have to.
No, officer, you can't do. Don't do, officer.
Nai. Nai, welcome.
Thank you. What was that good news I heard over the phone? Or did my hear something different?
Not at all, Nai. See, we are about to become the latest grandparents in this village. Yes.
My wife. How do you mean?
He will tell you better.
Meche, is that true?
Yes, Papa. I remember the night I drank so much palm wine and I slept off at the backyard.
Yes.
I woke up the next morning and found out that someone removed my clothes. Maybe had sex with me.
Oh, bro, maybe. She had. She had.
Abomination! How could I have slept with my son? Spit it out.
Nai. Why are you talking like this?
I remember that night. I am the one who carried him, washed him up and laid him on his bed.
Oh, hey.
Hey, this is how you people messed up my happiness.
I was thinking, Omega.
Where are you going? I'm asking you, where are you going to with the traveling bag?
Are you not the one your father is talking to? Where are you going?
I'm going back to the city to regain all that I've lost.
Meche, you are going back to the city like this? What do you want people to think? You want people to think that you're a thief who escaped from the mob? And moreover, where would you stay when you get to the city? The chief asked you out. You don't have anybody, you don't have any relative in the city. Where do you want to stay?
Mama, don't worry. I will take care of myself. I've discouraged myself for a long time now. I shouldn't be in the village fighting over a woman who I helped unconditionally. I should learn how to be a man in all conditions. See you all when I make it big.
Come back! Come back here! Meche, come back here!
Geoffrey, you did this to me. You did this to me after everything. But it's fine. We will meet in court. Let me see what happened to all your assets in Togo and in South Africa.
You may go and file for a divorce. After all, I am now a potential father.
Useless. You're very heartless. Geoffrey, after everything I did for you, I gave you my life and everything and you could pay me back this way.
And that is why I am compensating you with my house in South Africa. I really appreciate everything.
Just shut up and don't even utter that word because you do not know what appreciation means. It's fine. I'm leaving your house. But one thing is certain. You will suffer for this.
Oh no. When I told you Chidina here was pretending to be paralyzed, everybody thought I was being heartless. How can a paralyzed man impregnate a woman?
Ude, what did you just say?
Oh no, you heard me.
Chidina impregnated a woman. Who?
Who else but Alice?
Chidina. Did you hear him? Is that the truth?
Jay, I can see you brought me here for this man to insult me. No, it's obvious you brought me here for him to mock me. That the woman I brought all the way from Rwanda, his Mogul son, got her pregnant.
Will you shut up? How dare you blame my son for your own atrocity?
Another Mogul.
What's going on? Ude, what's going on here?
Oh no. Ask him. Ask him what is going on.
Chidina, you mean you know nothing about her pregnancy?
I did not get her pregnant. His son did. I didn't.
In that case, we have to invite Alice to tell us who is responsible for her pregnancy. Alice, I want you to tell us here. Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
I don't know.
How do you mean you don't know?
Eh?
You don't know who got you pregnant. In Kijiburu Virgin Medical again. You are a blatant liar. Now tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy? So if I invite Udejimba, the chief priest here now, you will swear that you don't know who got you pregnant.
No, I'm also confused.
You are confused.
No, please, let's allow her. I'm sure she knows who got her pregnant. Maybe she's scared to talk. His son got her pregnant.
Will you shut up? Just shut up there.
Alice, for the last time, who got you pregnant? Alice, our brother here has accepted responsibilities for your pregnancy. And he wants to marry you. Please do not turn him down. And you know, pregnancy is involved now. And they cannot be aborted. As the one responsible has owned up to it, Nne, please, forgive him and accept him as your husband.
I will not marry him.
But why? You are already carrying his child. According to our tradition, abortion is a taboo. Nnebiko. Ụzọ ọbụla ojuwe no mejo gị gbayarụ. Forgive and forget.
Please, my daughter, forgive.
Since he's willing to take care of your pregnancy.
Yes.
Please. Oh?
I cannot marry a man out of rape. Marriage should be bonded by love, not rape. I will bear his child, but my heart belongs to someone else.
Alice, where is she going? Alice!
Paige, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was raped. I wanted to pay you good for good. God knows my heart.
Alice, you don't have to be sorry. It was all my fault.
No, not your fault. You were an angel to me. You do not deserve all the pains that I caused you. Please, I'm sorry. I promise I will abort this pregnancy and be your wife.
No. No, Alice, you don't have to abort the child. I should not have demanded anything in return for all the good I did for you. Demanding for your hand in marriage was evil of me. I forgive you and have decided to move on with my life for good.
You forgive me?
I forgive you.
Thank you very much, Major. I am also very sorry for my evil act. Since you have decided to move on, I shall give you the sum of 5 million naira to support your business.
5 million?
Yes. I never went bankrupt. I am still that millionaire you have always known me to be.
Huh? Huh?
I am not even blind.
Eh?
Yes.
You are not blind.
I can see you.
You can see.
With your red cap.
You can see me.
And your walking stick. Of course I can see you.
Can you also see me?
Of course. You are putting on an ash color t-shirt.
Huh?
With your native cap.
Oh no. It's true.
You see, I pretended to see if my wife will file for divorce, so I can get myself another woman that will bear me children.
Ikembe nyụlụ arụ ọdapụ. Ikembe nyụlụ arụ ọdapụ.
Geoffrey, I think the best thing we can do is to allow her bear the child. We cannot go to Rwanda to see her people. Her only family we know is the Chejina's family. The best thing to do is to allow her bear the child and let her go.
Exactly, because we don't even know her.
Yes.
We don't know her. The most important thing is the baby.
Maybe she's even a ghost. Who knows?
But tradition demands that I will pay the bride price before the baby can legally be mine.
Forget it.
The tradition you talk about applies only when the two couples are from this place.
Of course.
Her own is a different matter.
Yes.
Huh? Who amongst you is the rapist here?
That is him.
Young man, you are under arrest for a rape case.
Officer, please wait.
Just wait.
Get him a lawyer. He will be charged to court on Monday.
Alice, what is going on? You know what we agreed on. I'm going to make you.
Ikembe nyụlụ arụ ọdapụ.
Kedu ife dị ife?
What's this child in your womb? You will abort this child. What do you mean I will injure you? What do you mean I will injure you? You injured me. I housed you. I harbored you. What you could do is betray me. I tried telling you to send me to distracting us. I asked you if you were pregnant and you couldn't even tell me that you were pregnant with my own husband. Take you to you. And you are going to abort this child. Now abort. I said no!
I am so sorry, son. I thought something might have happened to you in Rwanda. Since we couldn't hear from you for such a long time, that was why I did what I did. I I was just being a mother. Please forgive me.
Brother, I'm sorry for maltreating Alice the way I did. Her illness was eating deep into Papa's pocket, and you were nowhere to send money for my school fees. So I felt Papa was wasting money on her. I never hated her, but Papa's pocket was affecting me. I'm sorry.
Forgive us. Balo. Amaroma, Biko.
I have nothing against you people. Alice needs your apology the more. It's over. An oath bonded by blood can only be broken by death. I cannot do this no more. I cannot continue like this. I'm sorry, Alice. I'm sorry, my family. I'm sorry, my friends. I just have to end this. I just have to.
Changina! He has been arrested. And he's going to jail. I already lost the pregnancy.
No. It's too late. Allow me.
It's late. Nothing is too late. I've already lost the pregnancy. And Meche has received 5 million naira. Your mother and your sister have been begging me recently. And I've forgiven them. Our oath of love remains valid.
Love, sacrifice. Love, sacrifice. No one can see this love except you and me. No one can see this love except you and me. We have gone long way. We have gone long way. Don't be confused, oh baby. I still love you. Don't be confused, oh baby, boy. I still love you. Don't be confused, oh baby. I still love you. Don't be confused, oh baby. I still love you. What else can I give to you? After all, you have done for me. Tell me what I will do for you, baby. After all these things you went through because of me. Oh baby, love